What you're looking at is pure forbidden fruit. This isn't just a Mercedes. This isn't just a C63. This is the monster Mercedes-AMG refused to build. And guess what? A German tuner just said, "Fine, we'll do it ourselves." Meet the W206 C63 with a heart transplant so wild, it's basically a middle finger to the BMW M3. Gone is that tame four-cylinder hybrid that nobody asked for. In its place, a roaring, fire-breathing 4.0-liter twin-turbo V8. The sound alone could wake the dead and make M3 owners question every life decision they have ever made. But wait, it doesn't stop there, because Vuk Manufaktur didn't just swap the engine. Oh no, they gave this beast a body kit inspired by the legendary 190e Evolution 2. We're talking massive splitter, flared fenders, 6-spoke wheels with blue accents, and a rear wing so outrageous it makes a Mitsubishi Evo look shy. And yes, the sacred V8 bi-turbo badge is back where it belongs. This isn't just a car, it's a statement, a rolling rebellion. The C63 that AMG was too scared to build. Only 63 of these will ever exist, and if you're lucky enough to see one on the street, prepare to witness the BMW M3's worst nightmare in broad daylight.